In the heart of Kingston, hidden beneath the glow of the moon, there was a legendary circus unlike any other, the Enchanted Carnival. Rumors whispered that it appeared only once every decade, shimmering into existence just outside the city's edge, cloaked in a shimmering aurora of mystic energy. No ordinary circus, it was said to be a portal to another realm, blending science, magic, and the paranormal. One stormy night, a curious young scientist named Kingston, fascinated by the unexplained, decided to investigate. Armed with his trusty handheld spectrometer and a flickering lantern, he followed rumors to the outskirts of Kingston. As he approached, the air grew thick with a strange, humming vibration, and the ground beneath his feet pulsed with an otherworldly glow. Suddenly, the carnival gates materialized, an archway of shimmering gold and green, inscribed with glowing symbols from ancient Jamaican magic. Inside, the circus was alive with fantastical sights, levitating performers in glowing costumes, animals with shimmering scales and glowing eyes, and a ringmaster who seemed to be part human, part spectral apparition. Kingston noticed that the performers' magic defied the laws of physics, juggling fire that floated midair, acrobats that seemed to bend space and time, and a mysterious, shimmering portal at the center of the ring. As he approached, he saw that the portal was a rift between dimensions, powered by a rare crystal embedded in the circus's core, a crystal that harnessed both science and magic to keep the carnival alive. Suddenly, a ghostly figure appeared, an ancient Jamaican sorcerer, who explained that the carnival was a sanctuary for lost spirits and forgotten sciences, a place where magic and technology fused to keep the balance between worlds. He warned Kingston that tampering with the portal could unleash chaos, but also offered him a chance to become a guardian of this mystical realm, blending his scientific curiosity with the magic of the carnival. As dawn approached, the carnival dissolved into mist, leaving only the faint glow of the portal. Kingston returned to Kingston, forever changed, carrying with him the secret of the Enchanted Circus, a bridge between science, magic, and the paranormal, waiting to reappear when the moon was right.